The weekend is here, and I hope you're having a great weekend. I'm actually filming this one on the 2nd of May, just because the nights are getting lighter here. So let's fire this 3-inch bull shell rocket off and see how it performs. Seriously, what a quality break. Let's have a replay of that, guys. These rockets are good quality. That had a lot of symmetry, full of powder, and a nice wide break with a very good hang time. Guys, I've got a few different videos coming your way over the lighter nights, but we will be resuming pyrotechnics and